Imagine your mind is a vast labyrinth. You wander through it every day, unaware of the paths you choose, the directions you take. But what if you could map this labyrinth? What if you could understand the deepest corners of your mind and, in doing so, find the power to conquer it? Self-awareness is the key to unlocking this power. It is the process of observing your own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors without judgment. Without that awareness, you are at the mercy of your mind, unseen, uncontrolled, and untamed. But with it, you become the master of your thoughts, your actions, and your life. Let's journey through the art of self-awareness, unraveling the hidden patterns that drive us. It's time to step out of the shadows of unconscious behavior and into the light of clarity. The mind is a labyrinth, and we often lose ourselves in it. The thoughts we entertain, the beliefs we carry, the emotions we feel, all of these are formed by a lifetime of experiences. But much of what drives us lies beneath the surface, in patterns that operate outside our awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to step back, to observe those pathways. It's understanding what motivates you. Is it fear? Is it past trauma? Or are you reacting to the expectations of others? Ask yourself, are your decisions your own? Or are they the echoes of something else? Fear of rejection, the need for validation, the shadow of past pain. These are the unseen forces that steer our lives, often without our conscious choice. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Self-awareness doesn't mean simply observing your thoughts and emotions. It also means doing so without judgment. Judgment is the storm that clouds our perception of ourselves. We judge ourselves for our weaknesses, our mistakes, and our flaws. And in doing so, we only create more chaos. True awareness comes when you stop criticizing yourself for feeling pain or fear. When you stop condemning yourself for making mistakes. It is only by accepting our flaws and understanding them that we can truly transcend them. You are not your mistakes. You are the awareness behind them. Detachment is one of the most powerful tools in developing self-awareness. The idea is not to disconnect from your emotions, but to detach from the automatic reaction to them. Emotions, like the waves of the ocean, come and go, but you are the observer standing above the waves. You are not the storm. With detachment, you create space between your thoughts and your reactions. You become the observer, not the participant. This space allows you to choose your response instead of being ruled by impulse. And when you make your decisions from a place of clarity, your life transforms. The more you let go of what others think of you, the more control you gain over your own life. To truly master self-awareness, we must look at the patterns that have been ingrained in us since childhood. Fear, trauma, and the need for external validation often become automatic responses. But when you start observing these reactions, you gain power over them. Fear of rejection, trauma from past experiences, the constant need for approval. These forces can take hold of your mind. But when you learn to observe them, to notice when they surface, you can begin to rewrite the patterns that control your life. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Self-awareness is not a destination, it's a journey. It's the practice of constantly observing and evolving. As you continue to reflect on your thoughts, you'll begin to master them. As you master your thoughts, you begin to shape your reality. Through self-awareness, you realize that you are not the prisoner of your mind. You are the architect, and the mind is your most powerful tool. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. True self-awareness leads to inner peace. It allows you to navigate through life with clarity, strength, and purpose. But to unlock this power, you must first commit to understanding yourself, fully and without judgment. Thank you for joining me today. Take a moment to reflect on your own thoughts, patterns, and emotions. What drives you? What controls you? And what will you do with this newfound awareness? Subscribe for more insights into mastering the mind.